You guys ready for some bowling? Let me hear you. Come on. It's got to be a great night. Let's let her go. Here comes Mike Burton, ladies and gentlemen, to start the 2024 season, Backwoods Evolution. Looks like we had a good sled sale. Back to the April starting line. Stephen McCullough, 97 Dodge Ram, the bucket list. Oh, he made an attempt to get out of it before the Ohio Cat 100-foot mark. Michigan, Kentucky. Thank you to Kale Marketing. One more time, come on, here comes the bucket list. Stephen McCullough. Puts the green flag up. We're ready for the 93 Dodge Ram. Lee Burke. He's about 27 years old. Mount Vernon, Ohio. The tree hugger's nightmare. Get out of the better known as Necessary Evil. Holy cow, what happened to Necessary Evil? Man, a little shaky start out of the gates for the Dodge Power Wagon. Tough brakes tonight. Strange, powerful. Here comes Tristan Lott, the 01 Dodge Ram, Coshocton, Ohio. Come on, utter chaos. Ladies and gentlemen. bright young Carrollton, Ohio, 97 Dodge Ram, the Patriot. Been driving this truck for a couple years. A 2006 Chevy. Come on. It's called Causing Trouble. On the Max trailer pulling trash. Man, this trash boss is getting them all right there. 5-2. But right now, here comes Jacob Whitman, all the way from Tiffin, Ohio. 98 Dodge Ram, under pressure. Here comes the 97 Dodge Ram, Roger Streley, our defending champion, Razor's Edge. Oh, so keep your eyeball on that. We are ready to go at the 8 Pro starting line. Riverside Engine Pro Stock, Jeremy Smith, John Deere 7520. High strong. Remember, the track is a little wet. They're pulling a lot of weight. And we gotta get them stopped. 320. It's the Speedies just up the road from Louisville, Ohio. Bulls Gold! Running a Shipley Pro Stock engine under the hood. Wakeman, Ohio, John Deere 6030, the 310 Express. By 310 Express. I think we got a new leader. Leader flag. That's a rough estimate of where to beat it. Here comes our defending Pro Stock champion, the challenger out of Medina, Ohio, Spontaneous Combustion. Holy cow, he got beat. Wow, that is big news tonight. Spontaneous Combustion. Gotta be equal to beat 270. Final tractor in the class. Steve Ordner, John Deere 5020. Old school, come on, hammer down. What a run. I think he did it. Old school, Steve Warner. Looks like he's going to be your winner. Good look for old school out of Wakeman, Ohio. Gene Dunn, Carrollton, Ohio, 1982 Kenworth, 3406 Caterpillar engine, one big turbo, Twisted Kitty, our defending champion. Hey, that's a good run right there. Remember, we really got it weighted down because of the 320-foot mark. A lot of water on the ground, that's no big deal, as long as it's not oil. Man, what a strong run by Twisted Kitty. Buckle your seatbelts, one of the famous names in Pro Stock Semi pulling, ladies and gentlemen. Spencer Rook behind the wheel. Let's see what he can do. The Hillbilly Deluxe. Pro Stock semis in the country. He needs a good run tonight. Hillbilly Deluxe in the lead at 303. Here comes Chris Wood, ladies and gentlemen. Let's blast that. The marker lights from Ravenna, Ohio, 78 Peterbilt. We're ready to rock the boat. Get out of the way. It's called Sneaky Pete's, a Caterpillar 3406 engine under the hood. repeat, because that is one awesome truck. No two ways about it. Boys, check under the hood. Make sure. And we're ready to go. Our final pro stock semi, the 74 Kenworth. Tim Kemper at the wheel. Caterpillar C15 engine under the hood. The Lady Butterfly. Come on! Oh, having issues out of the gate. We'll see if he can do one more attempt. He's got one more to go. Here comes Tim Kemper. Gonna try it again. The Lady Butterfly. 74 Kenworth. Model, the green road deer. In the hole, Hayden Shaw, the haymaker. But right now, here's a wild and crazy boy. He was a bad one in high school. Max Billman, the smoking H. Chalmers, D21, called Pipe Dream. Come on. Tonight for Pipe Dream, a distance of 155.28. 155. Wow, a good run at 310 feet, point 11. 310.11. Matt Spielman will be back in the hole. Right now, hometown boy Sam Kinsmiller, Alliance, Ohio, the new generation. And a distance of 302.69. 302.69. Man, that's gonna do it. Something fell off. Piece of an exhaust, I don't know. Yeah, exhaust pipe, okay. A distance of 218.92. 218.92. Here comes Matt Spielman. Yeah, big grain farmer out of Bolivar, Ohio. John Deere called Shell Shock. And a good run at 298 feet, point 68. 298. Ready to go at the starting line. Chuck Palmer, Rootstown, Ohio. John Deere 4430. First two. Good run for Chuck Palmer. He's a firefighter in Rootstown. A distance of 302.29. But it used to be 1970 and older was the rule in this class. Now it's 75 and older. Here comes crushing it, Jerry Simmons, International 1066. And a distance of 311.38. 3 Carnival. Let's roll. International 806. Holy cow, look at him. comes the train wreck. Gonna do it on the train wreck. 257.56. 257.56. And the box really rolling there. Terry Burnoff doing the driving. Come on! Our final look of the night. A distance of 258.63, 258.